In order to be born, you needed 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great-grandparents, 16 great-great-grandparents, 32 third-great-grandparents, 64 fourth-great-grandparents, 128 fifth-great-grandparents, 256 sixth-great-grandparents, 512 seventh-great-grandparents, 1,024 eighth-great-grandparents, and 2,048 ninth-great-grandparents. Over the past 12 generations, spanning approximately 400 years, you needed a total of 4,094 ancestors to come into existence. We are the result of thousands of lives, choices, and sacrifices that came before us. This reminds us how precious and unique our existence is, a gift shaped by generations of ancestors. Honor their legacy by living with purpose and gratitude.